Hello, hello, welcome back everybody. This is Angel Malus here in another episode of Tekkit Legends. So last episode we actually went to revive a bunch of dragons in the end. That was so cool. In this episode today we are going to go to check on the YouTube subscribers. Yeah, I've been holding that back for a while, and yeah, that's disrespectful. I want to get my YouTube subscribers, a big thank you. So I want to put a billboard somewhere. Where can I put a billboard? I was thinking put maybe the billboard around here, maybe like just like because I'm usually on that area, so I can put a billboard like maybe here pointing this way, and that way I can just like pick out this way and just see how many subscribers are in the channel. Obviously there are not many like thousands and thousands of like other channels, but I like to get the numbers. Even just one subscriber, even just one person that sees the videos, it makes me really happy. So I'm gonna build up like a type of like an old school kind of billboard, like the ones you see while driving on the cars, and I'm gonna build it like around this area, and then I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back. So there it is. There is something there kind of that looks like a billboard. And I have just ate the, oh gosh, I just realized I messed up. Okay, be right back. Alright, we're back. So I kind of did it again, and there we go. Now it's a little more even. Still not that happy because that thing in the middle is kind of bothering me right now. But I think I'm gonna leave it that for like that for now. No, I can't. I'll be right back. Alright, there we go. Okay, now it's kind of looking better. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so I have this 7-segment displays over here. You can see it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it has 7 segments in each one of these. And I talked about this in a couple of episodes a long time ago. And so there's 7 over here, 7 over there, 7 over there, 7 over there. So we could make like a huge machine to make this stuff. Or we can just use the technology that we have available with this mod pack and just use ComputerCraft and then connect to the YouTube API. I'm gonna do a little code there to connect to the YouTube API and to get some code out of behind the scenes so I can get my channel subscriber number and then grab that number and put it into this display over here. So yeah, that's gonna pretty much take a little bit, and what I need to do is to connect this back part of it, not up here, just connect this back part of it to a system. Now for that we're going to be using stuff that I actually created a while ago, which is this over here. Where is it at? This guy's over here. So I'm going to be creating this freestanding stuff and maybe some normal cable, which should be like around here. There it is, this red log cable, and then this freestanding stuff. And I know I have a lot of it because a lot of episodes ago, look at that, there's 95 stacks. So I do have enough to make a bunch of this stuff, and I don't need that many. I just need actually 3, 4. I need 4 of each color of these guys. Sadly, the recipes are not for just one because you have to like make a lot of them. But anyways, we do have all the wool there that we need for the colors, and we have all the red this red ingot thingy over here. So we can red alloy ingot. So we can actually craft as many as we need. So let's go ahead and start building this stuff over here. So the way that my program works is that it's gonna use a computer to send basically 14 different signals. So a computer can handle like 14 sides because you only have 16 colors over here. Ooh. Alright, so from here to here, from the white to the black, there is 16. There's 4 over here, there's 8 over here, and then to 8 more, there's 16. So there is only 16 channels that a computer can basically manage with the bundle cable. So for that reason, on my old program, the computer would be sitting in the middle, and from the left side of the computer, it will control 14, and from the left side of the computer it will control another 14, and that will divide me those two numbers. Sadly, in this mod pack I have no idea why, and this is definitely an error. A computer, it doesn't matter which side you put it. If you set it to like set the output on the left side to this code and to the right side to this other code, it would just completely ignore you and just give you any other random. So basically a computer in this mod pack, it's totally wrong, but any output, it just works at the same as the rest of the output. So it's kind of a glitch. Anyway, so I'm not gonna bother like asking everybody else to try to fix this thing, because I know they're working on other mod packs and stuff like that. So what I do simply is just grab a computer for this side and another computer for this side, and that way I have my two sides managed. So I just get a computer sending one code and the other computer sending the other code, and pretty much that will be it. So I'm gonna go ahead into the back part of this thing, and I'm gonna start ordering some stuff. So there we go. So I'm gonna be ordering. I need cable. I need the alloy. Where's it at? Red. This the red alloy wire, and I need 7 for 14 times 2. I need 28. So basically, I need 28 of this guy. So go to 30 and 28. I may need a little more. I'm not sure yet. And here's my high voltage solar panels that I've been crafting. Actually, I'm gonna order another one just for the giggles, so the machine can keep working, making some more. I mean, 8 is totally pretty much enough. Alright, so we got this 28, and what I'm gonna do is just stick them like this, so both of these guys can be connected and can share the signal once any of these lamps would be turned on. And well, yeah, that was 28 for one. I think I need to order another 28. So red alloy wire, and as you can see, there's 8 left. So I need another 28. So those first 8 will just come directly into here, and then the other ones will just be crafted and come back in here. So there you go, first 8, and then the other ones will just come eventually into here. There we go, 28. So there we go, just put this stuff here. And soon we're gonna see how many YouTube subscribers we have on the channels, at least to the point of this video, the recording. Of course, if I jump to like 10,000 or whatever, that will be amazing, but it will take a while, and I don't think I'm gonna be doing that in this series. And next thing, all right, so I'm gonna get some of those colored codes, freestanding. What is it called? Freestanding. There we go. I need. I guess I need 1 and then two of each actually. So I need 2 of these white ones. Is it 2? Yes, because there's 14 for one side, 14 for the other side. Okay, so 2 of those. There we go. 2 of those. 2 of those. And look at this. I'm doing in this order. Now I do not have this stuff here. Orange infused test light wire. All right, I made a mistake on the ordering system. So I need to go ahead and fix this stuff over here. So I'm not sure where is the problem here. All these are red, that's perfect. It could be in this stuff inside. So let's check it out. Where did I start it? Okay, I started here, and my problem started on the orange, pretty much the second one. Alright, so there you go. It's using the wrong one. So yeah, this recipe is totally wrong. So freestanding, okay, there we go. Freestanding bluestone, there we go, and then there's the red alloy wire. This is the one we need. So there we go, put that there, and then get our little wrench in here and modify this thing to be the right one with the orange red alloy. Okay, perfect. And basically I gotta do this all the way. Alright, I finished everything right there, and now let's see what we need to order. We received a couple stuff. We just received the first 2 white ones, so freestanding, there we go. So 2 of the orange ones, please. 2 of the magenta ones, light blue, yellow, lime, pink, gray, light gray, cyan, purple, and blue, brown, and green. There we go. And then these freestanding ones, we're gonna need just a bunch of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just order maybe 3 stacks of that. Boom. Now I'm missing a lot of string for that, so maybe 2 stacks of it. We've seen a lot of string still. I don't think I have a string chest. Do I have a string chest? I may not have a string chest. String, good. There we go. So I may not have a string chest. Let's see. Yeah, I just completely don't have a string chest. So I need a I need a sang as well. There you go, boom, boom, boom. So let's make this chest the string chest. Basically, we'll create a bunch of it there. String, there we go. Voila. Now we can order as much as we need. Okay, so let's go ahead, and since we already have them in here, there we go, all pretty. Let's go ahead and place them where they should go. Now, here's the important part. This is where it gets funny. Because I have a specific order where I put these colors, and that has to be in that specific order, or otherwise it's just not gonna work as it should work. So let's go ahead and pull out the first pretty much 7 like that. I think that's 7. Let's go ahead all the way here, and we're going to go with the order of these things. You see there's white, orange, magenta. Those are the real order. So we're gonna go ahead and do this white, and then jump to the next one, and then this is orange, and then jump to the bottom one, this is magenta, next one is light blue, next one would be yellow, next one would be lime, and last one in the middle would be pink. So you can see I started from this, I go around and then in the middle, and then the next one would start the same way, this and then that one right there, and that would be it for that one. And this would finish on the 14. Now this one will start pretty much on the same way, but it's gonna start right here, you see. So I'm gonna go ahead start with this like that, magenta, light blue, this, and the gray and light gray right there. Alright, let's pull out the rest of them. Just in that order. Now here we go. Now I made a mistake right there. I'm gonna pull them back here and put them back in there, like that. So I made it to this one. So my next one would be cyan, then purple, then blue, then brown, and lastly green. We gotta be careful with that order, otherwise the colors are gonna be all messed up. So I got the gray, the light gray, then over here cyan, then purple, blue, brown, and green. And in the last one we do the same thing, cyan on the bottom, purple, blue, brown, and green. So these would basically give us a color code, a specific code for each one of them. So just think about these 2 digits over here. They will have a computer specifically set up for that, and another one for this one. So alright, next thing we need to order is our freestanding bundle cable thingamajig, and by now should be a nice bunch of string waiting just to be crafted, so we should receive it in no time soon. Now we got the other high voltage solar panel right there, so if I try to order another one, it's probably gonna, oh there you go, usually it will tell me like no, you can't do this yet. There you go, we got a stack right there, we got another stack right there, basically what we ordered. So now if you connect this thing over here, you can see it pulls out basically just that color out of the string. So basically this is just all the cables bundled together. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it right in the middle like this. And it doesn't need to go all the way here. And you can just punch them. They break pretty easy. And no matter what you use, they break at the same speed. So you can just go like that. And basically all you need to do is just connect all of these guys to them. So this one, maybe you can connect it through here, like that. This one connects like that. This one can connect right here. This one can connect right there. And why not just put it like this, there, there. I mean, as long as they're connecting, it doesn't matter who's shorter, who's longer. I mean, you can put a whole bunch of bundle cable out here and make it loop and whatnot. It doesn't matter. What matters is that it's just connecting. So as long as there is no one left behind, then we're all cool. Now we need to connect these ones as well. So put them all like that. Make them all connect together, all pretty. Now the only thing that you don't want to do is to connect these guys over here, like these 2 digits, to the other ones on to the first 2 digits. So as you can see, these 2 are connected all together, but they're separated from this line over here. So that's what we want to do, and we want to connect all these to the same basically network of cables. So we have all the all the cables connecting to the same computer for each two of the digits that we're gonna have. So there we go, all of this is almost connected. We can put this one over here, and these two need to connect, so I can just connect them through here. There we go, so those are all the ones connected. I mean, you can do it in a specific order, whatever, make it more pretty, whatever you like, it's all fine. Now I'm gonna extend it over here, maybe down, something like that maybe, and maybe this one down from here, just like that. And then I can put the two computers like right there. Basically that will be it for the configuration. Now let's go ahead and get some computers now. I'm gonna go ahead and move this stuff in here. It seems like I didn't need that many cables, but it's all good, it's all fun and games. So I'm gonna return this stuff to the system just for the next time I'll be using it. And I'm gonna go ahead and get some computers. Computers. I basically just need two advanced computers. I don't need monitors or anything like that. And that thing is bothering me. So there we go. So I'm gonna slap a computer right here and another computer right here. And as you can see, it immediately connects to the computer. So that would be it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the code and try to get this computer running on that code. So I'll be right back. So I got the code, I've set the label to the computer so when I break it, it doesn't disappear. And I run the code over here. So it gives me a 295, it separates in 0, 2, and 95 because this is the right side or the left side or whatever you want to call it. It will get the 95 and try to send it to the network. Now over here you can see something funny happened right there. You can see there is, well, if these two would turn on, there will be 9, and this one will be top, side, middle, and like that. That will be a 95. Sadly, they're not working, and this is one of the issues that I have with this thing. So this thing should be communicating power to this cable right here. And if you break it and you power it, it doesn't do it. It doesn't want to do it. So look at that. If I put it like that, it works now. But like you have to break it and put it back on, or you see a glitch right there. Take it off, put it back in. There you go. Now it's working. I mean, it's not working as it should. This is definitely a glitch. Look at that. Well, this actually doesn't even turn on yet. So you have to like break it and put it back on. Look at that. I really have no idea what this is all about, because Tekkit Lite and the Tekkit Classic and all the other Tekkits, they actually work pretty fine like this. It doesn't do any crazy stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do this basically to everything. Or just to keep it more secure, I can just go ahead and put another white freestanding alloy touching that, and that way I don't need to worry if it's making contact or not. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and just do it like this. Just take out, basically just take out one of these and replace this other one like that. So we get the numbers that we need to have. So I'll be right back. Alright, I went ahead and do it, all the cables. I basically broke this one and this one as well, and then I placed this one back again. So I have no idea. I should have 28 in my hand right now, and I don't think I'm missing any of this. And I can see some numbers turn on. I run the program on this computer. Basically I just run reboot like that, reboot, and the computer will turn on again. We'll get the actual number of the subscribers and then we'll put them here. So I have 295 and some numbers are turning on in there. So let's see what happens. I hope I didn't mistake. If I didn't mistake any colors, then you will see 295 right there, and there we go. That is amazing. There we go. We got the banner. We can just come over here and see, hey, we have 295 subscribers thanks to everybody that has subscribed. And a couple of probably months ago, I just had like 200. So yeah, it's getting there. It's so cool that you can see the number changing. That's pretty cool. If you guys definitely want us like a tutorial or something like that, just let me know. Like I'm here for you guys. So if you're gonna know something about this stuff, how to do it and stuff like that, it's pretty cool. Now you don't need a website or anything crazy to do this. It's basically just working directly with the API. So basically you just send a message directly to YouTube, to a YouTube page, basically to the Google APIs for YouTube. And you just need to have obviously a YouTube account and to have some kind of key security code, and that's the reason why I cannot share my code right now, because I have basically like a key number that YouTube gives me, and my program is set up not to spam the server, because if you spam it, they will just like be like blocking your application or whatever. So basically it just runs one time. Every time I start, basically that thing computer loads. So I can show you guys how to do all that stuff if you guys want me to show you guys. And so yeah, so stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot of more cool stuff coming in, and I'm gonna have some machines made, because all I've been wanting to do since like the start of the series is to make a spaceship, like a moving spaceship. And a long time ago I made a couple of machines, but I never actually get to do it on a let's play. So I want to go ahead and move that thing up there, the stupid fast EMC generator machine, that one there. I want to go ahead and move that one maybe somewhere else. So I'm going to create a machine to actually translate that into, like, physically it's going to be like moving block by block away, and probably I'm going to like sink it on the sea or something like that. I have no idea yet, but that's going to be cool. So yeah, if you guys like it, please subscribe and let me know in the comments. Some comments and subscription will be definitely appreciated. Now that I have the banner up there, I would love to see that number change. And yeah, so see you guys soon. Bye bye.